I represent them to the day I stop breathing. There's a war, I can tell you straight from the door that it's raw. Not for the weak, it's for the hardcore. Rugged soldier, this brother told ya, I love Jehovah. I love him like women love my telenovela. We're getting close to the rapture. Maranatha, coming soon is the master. Try to capture the idea. Incarnate God coming right here. Christ here, ruling planet Earth in his right gear. I hear you say he's not trying to take away this hope we got. We not shook, so we drop jams. Be out to show he's got the ability to save like coupons at the grocery spot. Defend the faith of you with it. My crew's with it. Christ died, love had everything to do with it. Before Christ, we loved secular life, but now we through with it. We don't fool with it. If Jesus Christ ain't down, we ain't cool with it. Who is it that wants to hustle, tussle, flex muscle, defend the Christian faith and the text special? Do some Jesus advertising, join the theocratic side and we'll see the sun rising. I live and die for what I believe in. Represent the truth of God's word every season. Sense I'm the reason for his bleeding. Now I represent him till the day I stop breathing.